Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the Noorio Home Security System, which comes with 2 B200 cameras and 2 solar panels. This system promises 100% wire-free installation, no monthly fees, and a 180-day battery life. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First, unboxing the system. Inside, you get 2 B200 cameras, 2 solar panels, mounting brackets, screws, and cables. The cameras are compact and have a built-in spotlight for color night vision. Setup was straightforward. Charge the cameras, attach them to the magnetic mounts, and download the Noorio app. The app guided me through Wi-Fi connection, which took about 5 minutes per camera. Now, let's talk about the standout feature: no subscriptions. The camera stores up to 3,000 clips on 8 gigabytes of local storage. No cloud fees, no hidden costs. There's a limited free cloud service available via customer support, but I didn't need it. This is a huge plus for anyone tired of recurring fees. The AI detection is impressive. I set it to human-only detection, and it filtered out cars, squirrels, and tree movements. During testing, it only recorded when a person entered the zone. The motion-activated spotlight works well, illuminating the area and capturing color night vision. The video quality is 1080p, and details are clear even in low light. Installation was a breeze. The magnetic mount is strong, and I placed the camera on a metal window frame. It's adjustable, so you can angle it exactly where you want. The solar panel connects via a USB cable, ensuring the battery stays charged. Noorio claims up to 180 days on a single charge without solar. With solar, it should be indefinite as long as there's sunlight. The app is user-friendly, with live view, playback, and notification settings. You can set activity zones to reduce false alerts. One downside, the app doesn't support external storage, only the 8 gigabytes internal. For high-traffic areas, that might fill up quickly, but it's fine for most homes. Audio quality is good with clear two-way talk. The camera is weather-resistant, so it holds up outdoors. Overall, the Noorio B200 system offers great value for a subscription-free, hassle-free security solution. The long battery life, solar charging, and accurate AI detection make it a solid choice for budget-conscious homeowners. If you want reliable security without monthly fees, this is worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll link it below.